Which of these math sentences is not correct? That is A. 1/7 plus 2/3 is equal to 3/21. Next, number 2. That is A. Dapat sana 144 yan. It should be, yung 144 dapat 49 yan siya. Next. Ayan, pwede kayong magano ha, sumagot dyan sa chat box. Sagutin nyo po yung mga question kung hanggat kaya ha, hanggat kaya. Ayan. That is water. Okay? Ayan. Mas mataas ang specific heat capacity. That means amount ng heat na kailangan natin para i-heat ang isang object or substance, yun ang specific heat capacity. So mas mataas si water kasi nga, mas matagal siyang painitin. Next tayo. The legs of one right triangle are 9 and 12, while those of another right triangle are 12 and 16. How much longer is the perimeter of the larger than the perimeter of the smaller triangle? That is number A, 12. Letter A, 12. Next, the edge of the rectangle solid have these measures 1.5 feet times 1.5 feet times 3 inches. What is its volume in cubic inches? That is 324. O, dapat sana 972 yan, di ba? Pero mas malapit ang 324. Ayan, yan pa ang choices dyan. Next, which of these has a value different from the other three? That is 12/75. 12/75. Ayan, sige. Next tayo, how can we prevent developing osteoporosis? That is adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D. Adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D. Next question. Which of these characterizes organic compounds? That is letter D. They are compounds containing carbon. They are compounds containing carbon. Next tayo. Choose the sentence that expresses the thought clearly and that has no error in structure or spelling. That is letter B. The farmer plowed, planted, and harvested his corn in record time. That's parallelism ha. Simple past tense lahat. Next tayo. Both Ruben and Blank plan to go. That is I. Letter A, I. Both Ruben and I plan to go. Next. We always hear doctors warning us to limit salt intake. What is the effect of salt in cells? That is, salt dehydrates the cell. Osmosis, water movement po yan. Okay? Lalabas po yung tubig from the internal environment of the cell papunta doon sa labas or sa external environment para mag-balance yung water level. Okay? Ayan, osmosis po yan. Water movement from higher concentration to lower concentration. Next tayo. If 8 minus x plus 2, square root of x plus 2 is equal to 4, what is the value of x? That is 14. 14. 14. Next tayo. A water tank contains 86 liters when it's 20% full. How many liters does it contain when it is 75% full? That is 322.5. 322.5. 322.5. Next tayo. What does a phrase Cold War refer to the post-World War II struggle between? Ano yan? The United States and its allies and the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics and its allies. That's letter B. Next tayo. Which of these three fractions has the largest value? That is 3/4. That's 0.75. 3/4. 3/4. Next, what happens to the speed of sound waves as it travels from less dense medium to a denser medium? That is, the speed increases. The speed increases. Letter D. Speed increases. Next tayo. Which decimal is equal to 3/100 plus 2/10 plus 5/10 1,000? That is 0.235. 0.235. 0.235. Next tayo. These are living things that use sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide to produce food. That is Autotrophs. Autotrophs. Next, how long does it take for the Earth to complete one rotation? How long? That is 24 hours. 24 hours. Rotation is 24 hours. Revolution, 365 days. Next, si Ana at Arian ay masisipag na mag-aaral. Ano ang mali sa pangungusap? That is, ayan, C ang mali. Dapat Sina yan, Sina. Okay? Next tayo. The Committee on Ethics blank every Friday. Every Friday, that suggests habitual action. Pag habitual action, simple present tayo dyan. So wala na si letter C at D kasi present perfect yan sila. Okay? And of course, committee acts as a unit. Okay? The whole committee. So it's singular verb meets. Letter A meets. Next. It is estimated that in the present century, there are blank about 954 million illiterate adults. That is R. There are about 954 million illiterate adults. Next tayo. A student walks from home to school 3 blocks away and then returns home for lunch. After lunch, he goes back to school after his total displacement is 3 blocks. 3 blocks. Displacement po ang tinatanong. Next tayo. An object becomes positively charged if it loses electron. Okay, positively charged loses electron. Lose electron. Negatively charged gains electron. Okay, ayan. Yan po ang difference ng dalawa ha. Magka-opposite po yan sila. Next tayo. The chemical reaction that releases heat energy during the process is called releases heat energy ha. Releases heat energy. That is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Next tayo. Which of the following is an example of chemical change? That is rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Next tayo. If the probability that it will rain today is 5/8, what is the probability that it will not? Ayan, di ba? Dapat kung ano yung denominator, dapat 1 yun ha, lagi. So kung 5/8 yan, dapat 3/8 ang hindi mangyayari. Kasi 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 over 8 or 1. Okay? Ayan, so that's the probability. Next tayo, the gaseous exchange in the lungs takes place in trachea, bronchi, alveoli, bronchioles. That is letter C, alveoli. Gaseous exchange sa lungs, alveoli. Gaseous exchange sa body, capillaries. Okay, next tayo. Cassie lives blank Pilar Road, Almansa 1, Las Piñas City. That is on bars. Pag name ng Boulevards, Avenue, Road and Street or bars, on kaagad tayo dyan. Okay, Pilar Road. So on Pilar Road. Next tayo. In supply and demand curve, it is the state that results to stability of prices of economic goods. Ayan. Shortage, surplus, equilibrium, oversupply. That is? Okay, that is equilibrium. Equilibrium. Next tayo. The property of real numbers which describes 5 plus 6 minus 3 is equal to negative 3 plus 5 plus 6. That is commutative. 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 Next tayo. Which cell feature is responsible for making proteins? That is ribosomes. 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 Next tayo. In which organization is the Philippines a member to fight communist aggression? That is Seattle. 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 Next tayo. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from digits 1 to 8 if the digits can be repeated? May repetition of the digits. Ilang 3-digit numbers? That is 888. Okay, so may repetition. So that means first choice, 8 digits. Second digit natin is may 8 choices tayo. Tapos sa third digit, may 8 choices pa rin. Kasi pwede ulit-ulitin daw yung digit. So that means 8 times 8 times 8, that is 512. Letter C. Letter C. Next tayo. Which part of Asia does the Arabian Peninsula occupy? That is Southwest or Middle East? Southwest or Middle East? Yes po, good evening po. Next tayo. Ayan, mention yung mga friends nyo dito. Ayan, ayaw nyo ng 400 questions? Sige. That is free enterprise, capitalism, capitalism, capitalism. Okay, next tayo. A card is picked at random from an ordinary deck of cards. Find the probability of picking a black ace. That is 1 over 26. 1 over 26. 1 over 26. Next tayo. Seeds can lie dormant for many years until, that is, ayan, conditions are right for growth. Ano yung conditions na yon? Soil, sunlight, and water. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. The perimeter of the rectangle is 56. What is the value of the base when the width is 10? That is 18. 18. 18. Next tayo. What do ferns have that apple trees do not? They are? Okay, spores. 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 Next tayo. What gas is taken in by plants? That is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Next tayo. The wolf has the scientific name Canis lupus. What is the classification category of Canis? That is genus. 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 Next tayo. The part of the flower that develops into fruit is the fruit. Ovary. Ovary. Ovule naman pag seeds. Okay? Next tayo. The movement of water across the selectively permeable membrane is called pag water, osmosis. Diffusion, solute. Okay? Ayan, movement of water, osmosis. Movement of solute, diffusion tayo doon. Okay? Next tayo. Ayan, choose the option which will best replace the underlined words in the sentence to make it correct. She done it too quick, so it came out looking rough. That is letter C. Did it too quickly. Did it too quickly. Next, how much votes can the legislative body allowed under the Philippine Constitution to override the veto power of the president? That is two-thirds votes. Two-thirds votes. Two-thirds votes. Next tayo. What do we call the wave-like contraction of the wall of the esophagus, which is responsible for pushing down the food to the stomach? That is peristalsis. 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 Next tayo. Which of the following methods of acquiring citizenship to which a child follows the nationality or citizenship of the parents regardless of the place of his birth? That is hue sanguinis. Hue sanguinis. Next tayo. What are the two features that plant cells have that animal cells do not? They are? Okay, cell wall and chloroplast. Ito, present lang to sa plants. Wala po ang animals dyan. Okay? Ayan, cell wall and chloroplasts. Cell wall and chloroplasts. Next tayo. It takes John 25 minutes to walk to the car park and 45 to drive to work. At what time should he get out of the house to get to work at 9 a.m.? That is, ayan, 7:50 a.m. 7:50 a.m. Next tayo, either one of the choices, blank going to disrupt the schedule. That is, that is, okay, is. Next, it carries the oxygen-rich blood to the head, arms, and chest, and down to the waist and legs. They are arteries, arteries, arteries. Next tayo, the players or their coach, blank holding a press conference. Ayan, compound subjects joined by the conjunction or. Ang subject natin, after ng or. The coach is singular, so singular verb tayo, letter B. Letter B. Next tayo, Tom and Bob have a total of 49 toys. If Bob has 5 more toys than Tom, how many toys does Tom have? That is 22. 49 minus 5, that is 44 divided by 2. Ayan, 22 po si Tom. And si Bob naman is 27. Kasi nga, 5 more siya, di ba? Ayan, 27 plus 22, that gives us 49. Next, neither of the students blank been to Europe. That is has, 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 has. Next, blank the blank the manager or the assistant manager approach you. That is has, has, has. Next, a container contains 23 bottles and each bottle contains 20 marbles. How many marbles are there in 10 bottles? That is 200 lang. 20 times 10 lang po yan siya. 20 times 10. Next, name the male and female gametes. That is, okay, sperm cell and ovum. Sperm cell and ovum. Sperm cell and ovum. Next tayo, Juan as well as my sister blank in college now. That is, okay, that is. Ang ano natin, subject is Juan lang. As well as my sister, intervening phrase po. And separated by 2 commas, it doesn't affect the subject-verb agreement. Kaya nga singular ang Juan natin, singular ang verb. Next, a number is divided by 5. The result was subtracted by 154 and the difference is 6. What is the number? That is, okay, 800, 800, 800. Next tayo, in flowering plants, fertilization happens in the, okay, ovules, ovules, ovules. Next tayo, several students blank left. That is, have, have, have. Okay, ayan. Pwedeng R din yan. Kaso lang, di ba, first tama na sagot, yun yung isasagot natin. Letter C ang una. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. What is the value of y in 2x plus 2xy plus 3y is equal to 25 if x is equal to 2? That is 3, 3, 3. Next tayo. The development of egg without fertilization is, pang ilang number na tayo mga ma'am sir? Ayan, sige, check na lang ako sa comment section. Okay, that is parthenogenesis. Development of egg without fertilization, parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. Next tayo, one of the best known love stories, blank, Romeo and Juliet. So, title ang Romeo and Juliet. That is, ang subject natin is one. So, that is singular verb tayo, is, is, is. Next tayo, what is the ratio of 1/5 to 5/15? That is, okay, that is 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. Next tayo. Which of the following units of measure is equivalent to cubic centimeter? That is milliliter. Milliliter. Okay, milliliter. Next tayo. Mathematics blank, very difficult for many students to master. That is, is, is. Next tayo, what is the value of n in the statement 2mn is equal to 50? If m is equal to 1, that means n is equal to 25, 25, 25. Next tayo, which of the following is not a compound? Not a compound. Magnesium, 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 magnesium. Next, or not a compound or element yan. Each of the exercises blank about 20 minutes to complete. That is, okay, takes. Takes. Singular subject tayo each. So, takes ang verb natin. Singular din. Next. Ayan. A taxi charges 50 pesos for the first kilometer and charges 3 pesos for each additional kilometer. So, how far could 200 pesos go? That is 51. 51. Tandaan nyo yan ha. 50 first kilometer charges 3 for 200. How much? 51 kilometers yan. Okay, next tayo. The class blank a movie every Friday night. O every Friday night. So, habitual action tayo. So, simple present yan. Class is taken as a unit. So, singular yung ano natin dyan, verb. Watches, watches, watches. Next tayo. The board reviewing the courses offered by the college found that the quality of academic programs were generally good but somewhat uneven. That is, were. Kasi ang subject natin sa clause is quality which is singular. So, was dapat yan. Okay, next tayo. Ayan. 2 tablespoons is equivalent to 1 liquid ounce, while 10 tablespoons is equivalent to 1/2 cup. So how many liquid ounces are there in 2 cups? That is 20 ounces. 20 ounces. 20 ounces. Next, a mole is amount of substance or a mass of substance that contains 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 particles or molecules or atoms. Okay, yan yung unit niya. But dito, particles yung nakalagay. Next tayo, the number of issues blank to be increasing. That is seems. Seems. The number, singular verb tayo dyan. A number, plural verb tayo dyan. Kung a number dyan, a number of issues, same ang sagot natin. Pag the number, seems. Okay? Ayan. So, tandaan natin yan ha. The number, singular, plural ang a number. Okay, next tayo. In a certain school, the ratio of boys to girls is 5:7. If there are 180 boys and girls in the school, how many boys are there? That is 75. 75. 75. Next, the songs they sing blank in my mind all day. That is have stayed. Songs is plural. So we say have stayed. Have stayed. Have stayed. Plural then. Next tayo. There are 638 students at the museum. All the students will tour the museum in groups of up to 6 students. What is the smallest number of tour groups that can be used or formed? That is 107 yan. 107. 638 divided by 6 that is equal to 106 plus or remainder 2. Ang dalawang yun, isang group pa rin yun kasi sabi dyan up to 6 students. Okay? Ayan. So that is 106 plus 1, 107 tayo. Next tayo, aside from the Philippines, which countries claim part of the Spratly Islands in the South China Sea? That is letter B, China, Taiwan, Vietnam, Malaysia. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. Kim had 120 cards in a box. She gave 3/5 of the card to Maddie. How many cards did Kim have left in the box? That is 48, 48, 48. Next tayo. When a force is applied to a body, several effects are possible. Which one of the following effects can't occur? That is the body increases its mass. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. $10 blank too much to charge for such a small item. Ayan, run through ito ha. Run through tayo ha. Run through. I-go over natin lahat ng questions na diniscuss natin. Ito na po yun. Okay? Ayan, para ma-remember nyo pa rin po yung mga questions. That is $10 amount of money, singular. So, is tayo dyan. Okay? Next tayo. Nebuchadnezzar was to the Babylonian Empire. Asuka was to blank empire. That is ayan, Maurya, Maurya, Maurya. Okay, next tayo. Which of the following numbers? That is, all prime numbers are odd numbers. Not true kasi 2 is a prime number but it is even, not odd. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. What is the principal function of the gravity in the new universe? That is, keeps the stars and other heavenly bodies in orbit. Letter B. Next tayo. If the 7 continents were arranged from largest to smallest, in which order does Australia fall? That is 7th. 7th, pinaka-last. 7th. Next tayo, male and female reproductive part of the flower are called? That is stamen and pistil. Stamen and pistil. Next tayo, ayan, which expression is equal to 3 times 49? That is letter C, 3 times 40 plus 9. Next tayo. This is considered to be the first manual data processing device developed in China in the 12th century AD. That is, ayan, abacus, abacus, abacus. Next tayo. These are cellular secretions which help regulate the breakdown and build-up of various substances in the body. That is, regulate the breakdown and build-up of various substances. That is, hormones. Hormones. Ang enzymes, catalyst lang po sila. Speed up chemical reaction. Okay, next tayo. The blue ones blank to match best. That is sim, sim, sim. Okay, next tayo. He is considered to be the father of computing because of his contributions to the basic design of computer. Sino siya? Sino siya? Sino siya? That is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. It is the energy source of the cell which it uses for growing, reproducing, and other activities. That is, okay, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Next tayo, which is a pair of equal expressions. Which is a pair of equal expressions. Okay, that is 2y, kasi 2y times 4 is 8y, and then 2 times 4y is also 8y. Okay, so equal sila. Okay, next tayo. She, against her aunt's wishes, blank decided to go skiing instead. That is, ayan, has. She is our subject. Ayan, she is our subject lang. Okay? Against her aunt's wishes is just an intervening phrase that does not affect the subject-verb agreement kasi nga, separated din siya ng dalawang kamas. Okay? Ayan, sige. Next tayo. It is a segment of DNA molecule which controls the appearance of a given trait. That is, okay, genes. 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 Next tayo. Which of the following numbers has the greatest value? 3 tenths, 5 hundredths, 50 hundredths, or 136 thousandths? That is, okay, 50 hundredths, 50 hundredths, 50 hundredths. Next tayo, energy removal is best illustrated in, or heat release, or energy is being released. Illustrated by which one? Ayan, changing water to ice. Changing water to ice. Water to ice ha, kasi water is hotter than ice, di ba? Ayan, yes, nag-ano siya, nag-release ng heat kaya nga tumigas, naging solid. Okay? Ayan, pahinga muna tayo, pahinga muna tayo. Kaya pa ba mga ma'am sir? Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Ayan, oh, rest tayo sandali. Rest tayo sandali. Ayan, oh, kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Oh, pahinga, ano muna, hinga munang malalim. Ayan, hinga muna, hinga muna. Ayan, rest muna tayo ng ano, 1 hour. 1 hour. Ayan, sige. Ayan, kaya, kaya, kaya? Okay, ayan. Sige pa mga ma'am sir. Advertisement muna tayo while tayo nagpapahinga ha. Ayan. So, ang ano namin mga ma'am sir, mag-start na po sa TCRC. Mag-start na po kami ng final coaching bukas. Okay? Ayan. Live sessions po bukas, 8 a.m. with Coach Joshua. Ayan, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. I think tomorrow. Ayan. Sa mga gustong humabol mga ma'am sir ha. Sa mga gustong humabol, ayan, message nyo pa ako. Bukas na po mag-start yung ano natin. Tawag na to, final coaching live sessions with the other coaches. Okay? Ayan, with the top 1 coaches. Okay? Ayan, sige, sige. Oh. Okay, sige. Continue tayo, continue tayo. Yes po, 16 po mag-start ang major ship. Hindi po natin pwedeng isabayan sa Prophet and Gened, mga ma'am sir ha. Yung Prophet and Gened natin final coaching is 500 pesos. Maumpisa bukas hanggang September 15. Ang major subjects naman natin 200 pesos po, September 16 hanggang 18 naman 'yon. Kasi 19 pre-board na po natin lahat at saka pabaon, okay? Ayan, sige, sige. Continue tayo, continue tayo. Okay, next question, next question. Compounds with the same molecular formula but with different structural formulas. Okay, that is isomers. Isomers. Different structural formulas, isomers. Different neutrons, isotopes yon. Okay, ayan. Sige. Next tayo. Final coaching major natin is September 16 hanggang 18 po. Ayan. Pero ongoing yung mock boards natin ha. Kailangan tapusin lahat yung mock boards. Okay, that is 130 minutes. 130 minutes. Okay. Ayan, ang final coaching natin mga ma'am sir, nasa exclusive group po, private group po siya, okay? Exclusive lang po 'yun sa mga nag-pay po, okay? Ayan, sige. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Ayan, a substance that speed up, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, chemical reaction, catalyst po. Hormones, regulate naman, okay? Ayan, sige. Next tayo. What is the LCM of 12, 20, 20, and 25? Sir John Clyde, posted po lahat ng MacBoard sa atin. Pa-check lang po. Ipa-browse po yung major ship group natin. Andun po lahat. Lahat ng ng major ship natin at saka Profed and Janet groups po, naka-post po lahat. Nakalagay po doon, TCRC MacBoard links. Okay, what is the LCM of 12, 2025? 300, 300, 300. Next tayo. A plant structure which contains the embryo, the food supply, and a coat. That is seed. 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 Okay, ayan. Dito tayo. Let A is equal to 2, negative 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 5, X is equal to negative 1. Find B minus X times C minus A squared. That is, okay, 52, 52, 52. Next tayo, the International Convention where the Philippines can validate its claim to the Spratly and other territories in the West Philippine Sea is UNCLOS, UNCLOS, UNCLOS. Next tayo, 47 times 2 over 10. That is 4 over 35. 4 over 35. Next tayo, the city-state of Sparta was characterized by emphasis on warfare. Emphasis on warfare. Emphasis on warfare. Next tayo, in a bag, there are 7 red, 3 blue, and 5 green balls. Andrew drew a ball. What is the probability that he got a blue ball? Ayan. So, ilan yung blue? Tatlo. Ilan ang total? 15. 3 over 15 by 3, i-divide natin. So, that's 1/5. 1/5. 1/5. Next tayo. The seeds of the maple tree are dispersed by, ayan. Yung maple tree po na seeds, mayroon po silang wings. So, they are dispersed usually with wind. 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 Next, what is 11 over 25 in percent? 11 over 25 in percent. That is 44%. 44%. Next tayo. Who was the famous Greek teacher that tutored Alexander the Great? Aristotle. 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 Next tayo. Under this system, the major factors of the production, distribution, and industries are owned and controlled by the state, while the minor industries are owned by the private sector. Anong system to? That is socialism, okay? Communism, lahat pagmamayari ng state. Sa socialism, yung major state ang may-ari, yung minor private sector. Sa capitalism, free enterprise siya. So pwedeng major industries pwedeng ipagmamayariin ng mga okay? Ng mga private sector like yung mga contractors. Ayan, alam niyo na. What percent of 650 is 13? What percent of 650 is 13? That is 2%. 2%. 2%. Next tayo. Roots carry out the following functions except, that is, taking in carbon dioxide from the air kasi nga trabaho yan ng leaves, hindi po ng roots. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. Roman gods and goddesses were mostly based on the mythology of, okay, Greece. 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 Next tayo. Cellulose is carbohydrates. 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 Next tayo. What percent of 70 is 25% of 56? That is 20%. 20%. 20%. Next tayo. What is the name of the jelly-like substance that is inside the cell? Tawag natin dyan. Jelly-like substance, ha? Jelly-like substance that is cytoplasm. 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 Next tayo. If x plus y is equal to 17, then x plus y squared is equal to, yan, square lang natin si 17 mga ma'am sir. Magiging 17 times 17 is 289. Next tayo, flowers that are pollinated by either birds or insects usually have all of the above. Okay, ayan, line markings and colorful flowers are for birds and strong scent is for insects. Okay, next tayo, how many chromosomes do human gametes have? That is, ayan, gametes ha, gametes or reproductive cells or sex cells, eggs and sperm, 23 chromosomes lang sila meron. Next tayo. An airplane traveled at the speed of 750 miles per hour for 80 minutes. So how far did the airplane travel? That is 1,000 miles. 1,000 miles. 1,000 miles. Next tayo. Which Roman emperor ended persecution of Christians by passing the Edict of Milan? That is Constantine the Great. Si Constantine the Great. Next tayo. The sale price of the camera after a 20% discount is 7,200. What was the price before the discount? That is 9,000. 9,000. 9,000. Next tayo. Tropisms in plants are growth responses toward or away from a stimulus. That is letter A. Next tayo. One-fourth of the soldiers blank on the front line. That is were fractions, percent, and decimals or percent, decimals, and fractions or PDF plus plural noun. Ayan. Plural verb tayo. Okay? Ayan. Pag singular noun, singular verb tayo. Non-count noun, singular verb pa rin. Next. In the repeating decimals, 0.61365472613 ano pang ilan or what is the 70th digit to the right of the decimal? That is 4. 4. Divide lang natin si 70 kasi nagre-repeat siya every 8 digit. Okay? Ayan. 70 divided by 8, that is 64, remainder 6. O count tayo ng 6. Pang ilan yung ano? Anong digit yung 6? Pang 6 pala. Ayan. So that is 4. Next, the Romans adopted the gods of the blank but gave them Roman names. That is Greeks. 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 Next tayo, plants that produce stems, leaves, roots, and flowers every year are, they are annuals. 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 Next tayo, the aims of the course make that is letter C. Make me willing to begin. Aims is the subject, plural. So, plural verb tayo dyan. Next tayo. Unlike reproduction in seed plants, reproduction in firms. Ayan. That is involves Antheridia and Archegonium. Okay. Next tayo. If 8 plus 5 plus A plus 4 is equal to 24 and 8 plus 5 plus B plus 4 is equal to 36, then what is the value of A minus B? That is negative 12, negative 12, negative 12. Next tayo. Ito ay isang uri ng panitikan na may isang maiksing komposisyon na kalimitan na naglalaman ng mga personal na kuro-kuro ng may akda, sanaysay, sanaysay, sanaysay. Next, which cell feature is responsible for making proteins? That is, ayan, making proteins, ribosome. Ribosomes. Ribosomes. Next tayo, they are rights provided by law promulgated by the lawmaking body and consequently may be abolished by the same body. Ayan. Ibibigay nila, pwede nilang i-abolish. Tawag natin dyan, statutory rights. Statutory rights. Statutory rights. Next tayo, what is the name of the jelly-like substance that is inside the cell? Bumalik yung question. That is cytoplasm. 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 Okay, next tayo. As a stockholder of Coca-Cola Company, you are invited to attend the annual stockholders meeting to be held blank April 15. April 15 is a date, so we say on. Oh, isa lang yung may on dyan, letter A. Letter A. Next tayo. What is the perimeter of the square having an area of 625? Oh, area niya is 625. Square root natin yan. 25 ang sides niya. Oh, ang area or ang perimeter ng square is 4s or 4 times the side. 4 times 25, 100. 100. Next tayo. A glycogen is a or an carbohydrate. 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 Next tayo. Gary lives blank Pilar Road, Almansa Ono, Las Piñas City. That is on. Bars. Pag bars or Boulevard Avenue Road Streets, on tayo dyan. Okay? What cell feature is responsible for powering the cell? That is mitochondria. 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 Next tayo. 10% of the rice placed in the warehouse. That is 10%. Percent ulit. Non-count noun, rice. So, singular verb tayo dyan. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. What is the name referring to the distance between two troughs of the wave? Okay, that is wavelength. 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 Next tayo, I will visit you blank spring. Name of months, year, seasons, longer period of time, preposition in tayo dyan. Okay, ayan, in. Next tayo, how many whole numbers can divide 30 exactly? Ayan, 8. 8. 8. Next tayo, which of the following is not a carbohydrate? Lactase. Lactase. It is an enzyme acting on lactose. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. How much topsoil is needed to cover a garden 25 feet by 40 feet to a depth of 6 inches? That is 500. 500. 500. Next tayo. Which are limited only to the sale of real property and stock transaction? That is capital gains. Capital gains. Capital gains. Next tayo. Which of the following methods can all the diabetics control their condition and avoid heart disease and blindness? Regulating their intake of glucose, increasing the levels of insulin in their body by taking insulin injections, or maintaining the reasonable exercise regimen to keep weight down? That is letter D, 1 and 3 only. Okay? Bawal po yung 2. Okay, next tayo. One package is 100 pounds and the other is 150 pounds. The weight of the second package is how many times that of the first? That is 1.1 and 1/2 times heavier. Okay, 150 divided by 100, that's 1 and 1/2. Okay, next tayo. What correction should be made to this sentence? Firstborns often pattern their behavior after their parents and other adults. That is letter C. Replace they are to their. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. Ano ang ipinahiwatig ng salitang may salong guhit? Matayog ang lipad ni Pepe, kaya't bata pa siya'y nagsisikap na. That is, mataas ang pangarap ni Pepe. Mataas ang pangarap. Next tayo. A carpenter wanted 3 pieces of wood, each 1.5 feet long. If he planned to cut them from a 6-foot piece of wood, how much of the piece would be left? That is, tatlong 1 and 1/2 daw. So that's 4 and 1/2, di ba? So ano, magkano ang matira kung ikat niya yung 4 and 1/2 sa 6 foot? That is, 1 and 1/2 ang matira. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. Where in the cell does chromatin or the DNA found? That is, okay, nucleus. 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 Next tayo. Which are the next three terms in the progression 1/25, -1/25, and 1/5? Anong kasunod? Times -5 lang tayo. Times -5. Okay, ang kasunod ng 1/5 times -5, that is -1. Okay, ayan. So letter D tayo dyan. Next, what correction should be made to this sentence? Most fire-related deaths result from household fires, yet many people do not have fire extinguishers in their homes. Ano yung ano natin dyan? Replace deaths with deaths. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Okay. Next tayo. To pass her English test, Lucille must get 75% of the items correct. Out of 80 questions, how many must she correctly answer? That is? Okay. Letter B, 60. Letter B, 60. 60. 60. Next tayo. Ayan. Oh. Next question. Okay, that is and meet. That's can stay at home, make money, and meet. Okay, variety of people. Parallelism po dapat yan. Next tayo, we're in the cell. Oh, bumalik pala ito. That is nucleus. Bumalik lang po. Next tayo, refer to the sequence of organism in the community that constitutes a feeding chain. That is food chain, food chain, food chain. Next tayo, excessive presence of carbon dioxide in the air trapping heat near the Earth's surface, causing a rise in temperature in the environment is called greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Next tayo. Ayan, Siddhartha Gautama Buddha founded Buddhism not as a religion but to find nirvana. Find nirvana. Find nirvana. Next tayo. Ala, dumiretso tayo. Ayan, anyway, Sumerian civilization flourished in Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia, sorry. Next tayo, what value of x will make the proportion correct? 12 is to x is equal to 2.4 is to 5. That is, okay, 25, 25, 25, 25. Next tayo, there are 14 men in a committee consisting of 35 members. What is the ratio of women to men? Ayan. So 35 minus 14 is 21. Oh, 21 ang men, 14 ang men, 21 ang women. Women to man, 21 is to 14 or cancel natin by 7, that is 3 is to 2. Okay? Next tayo. Plants and animals are both eukaryotes. Eukaryotes with nucleus po. Okay? Prokaryotes without defined nucleus. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. A vehicle consumes 2.5 liters of gasoline to travel 30 kilometers to the nearest tent. How many liters of gasoline will it take for the vehicle to travel 408 kilometers? That is 34 liters. 34 liters. 34 liters. Ayan. Next, the payment is due blank October. Okay. Ayan. So that is in. In. Okay, next tayo. What level of organization would result to the combination of two cells? Ayan. Sige. That is tissue. 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 Next tayo. What do we call a poem with 14 lines or iambic lines and a specific rhyme scheme? That is sonnet. 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 Next tayo. 24% of what number is equal to 4,320? That is 18,000. 18,000. 18,000. Next tayo. What is the geometric shape of the earth? What is the geometric shape of the earth? That is oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Next tayo. How many neurons are present in a newborn baby? That is 100 billion. 100 billion. Next tayo. What is the equivalent of the fraction of the decimal number 0.45454545? That is 5 over 11. Almost 1/2 kasi yan. Almost 0.5, di ba? Ayan. So 5 is almost 1/2 of 11, di ba? Ayan. So that is letter C. Next tayo, human reproduction. When an ovum is combined with a sperm leading to development of an embryo, this form of reproduction is called fertilization. 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 Next tayo, my sister and I met an acquaintance of blank in the shopping mall. That is ours. 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 Next tayo, polysaccharides, polypeptides, and nucleic acids are classified as macromolecules. 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 That is, next tayo, which of the following is the site of blood cell production? Blood cell production, that is? Okay. Ayan, bone marrow. Bone marrow. Bone marrow. Yan. Change 13.5% to its fraction form. That is 27 over 200. 27 over 200. Next tayo. In periodic table, what does AG stand for? Silver. 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 Okay, next tayo. What is the number invented by Indians to complete the Hindu-Arabic numerals? That is 0. 0. 0. Next tayo. Which of the following is not a characteristics of life? That is letter C tayo, nerve impulses. Okay? Ayan, nerve impulses po. Ayan. Characteristics of life, Mrs. Gren, di ba? Ayan, movement, reproduction, sensitivity, growth and development, respiration, excretion, and nutrition. Okay? Ayan, hindi kasama si nerve impulses doon. Next tayo, what is the product of a number and its reciprocal? That is Always equal to 1. Number and its reciprocal, the product is always equal to 1, ha? Always po, always. Next tayo. Ayan. What measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirts commonly used by teenagers? That is mode. 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 Next. What number completes the sequence? 320, 440, 560? That is 680. Plus 120 lang tayo. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. The fraction halfway between 3/7 and 4/7. That is, okay, 1/2. 1/2. 1/2. Next tayo. Which of the following best demonstrates the greenhouse principle? Okay, a car with rolled up windows. A car with rolled up windows. Next tayo, a losing senatorial candidate may file a protest against the winner. What body will assume jurisdiction over the case? That is, ayan, electoral tribunal, electoral tribunal, electoral tribunal. Next tayo, the least common multiple or LCM of 2, 3, 4 is, ayan, 12, 12, 12. Next, most asteroids are found between these two planets. That is, okay, Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Next tayo, when you carry a heavy load with one arm, you tend to hold your free hand away from your body in order to, ayan, change the center of gravity of your body and load. Okay, ayan. Next tayo, the elevator can carry a maximum load of 805 kilograms. So how many passengers of weight 70.5 kilogram each can the elevator hold? That is 11 lang. Hindi 11.4 kasi wala pong 0.4 na tao. Okay? Ayan, sige. Tao po ang pinag-usapan natin dito. 11 lang po. Yes po, ang bilis po talaga kasi rantro po tayo, teacher. Hindi na po, wala na pong wala pong rationalization ng rantro kasi nag-over na natin itong mga questions na to sa live coaching ni Teacher Sepi. Kaya ngayon, nagra-rantro lang tayo. Okay? Rantro po, rantro. Next tayo. And which part of the flower develop into seeds? That is, ayan, ovules, ovules, ovules. Next tayo. Which of the following demonstrates sublimation? That is, dry ice evaporating. Dry ice evaporating. Ayan, sige, sige. Next tayo. How much topsoil is needed to cover a garden 25 feet by 40 feet in a depth of 6 inches? Bumalik tayo nito sa question na to. 500, 500, 500. Next tayo. He blanked his leg while he blanked rugby. That is, okay, was playing. He broke his leg while he was playing rugby. Ayan. Next tayo. Find M in the proportion. M is equal to 12. M over 12 is equal to 30 over 24. That is 15. 15. 15. Next. What form of government is characterized by the separation of powers? That is, ayan, presidential, presidential, presidential. Ayan, sige. Rest muna tayo. Ayan, ayan, sige, sige. Bio break, 1 minute. 1 minute, bio break tayo, mga ma'am sir. Bio break muna bago tayo magtuloy. Ayan, bago tayo tumuloy, bio break muna, bio break, bio break, bio break. Ayan, sa mga gustong sumali po sa final coaching ng TCRC, bukas na po ang start. Ano na po tayo bukas? 8 a.m. bukas ang start. Okay? 8 a.m. mag-start bukas. Ang final coaching natin, ayan, with top 1 coach, Coach Joshua po, ang mag-handle sa bukas. Okay? Kaya i-message nyo po ako sa mga gustong humabol. Bukas na po ang live sessions natin mag-umpisa. Umpisa na ng bakbakans. Oh, bakbakan. Okay? 400 items ito, sir? Yes po. 413 actually. 413. Kaya ilaban natin to, okay? Ayan, sige, sige. Ayan, Teacher Muhammad Tabunaway. Hello po, good evening. Ayan, sige. Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Sige nga. Pa-comment nga ako dyan ng kaya pa po. Okay, sige, pa-comment kung kaya pa po. Okay, sige, tuloy tayo. Next question. Next question tayo, mga ma'am sir. Next question. Okay, which is the best evidence that helium gas is lighter than air? Okay, that is helium-filled balloons rise in the air. Helium-filled balloons rise in the air. Okay. Yes po, nire-record po namin ang final coaching, sir, kaya pwede nyo pong balikan yon. Okay? Ayan, nire-record po namin ang final coaching, kaya pwede pong balikan. Next tayo, message po ako mga ma'am sir sa mga gustong sumali. How much larger is the supplement of 60-degree angle than the complement of 75-degree angle? That is? Okay, 105 degrees. 105 degrees. Next tayo. Contain chemical and enzymes necessary for for digesting certain materials in the cell. That is? Ayan, sorry. Lysosomes. 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 Next tayo. Which of the following lines is a simile? That is? Okay, holding wonder like a cup. Holding wonder like a cup. Next. Like, simile. 30% of what number is 195? That is? 30% of what number is 195? That is 650. 650. 650. Next tayo. What is the function of diffusion in the human body? What is the function of diffusion in the human body? That is? Okay. Ayan. Allows an even distribution of substances throughout all cells of the body. Okay, next tayo. The structure in the nucleus which manufactures ribosomes for protein synthesis. That is? Kaya pa? Kaya yan. Ayan, nucleolus. Ang ribosomes na manufacture sa nucleolus. Okay? Ayan, hindi sa nucleus. Nasa center ng nucleus, may nucleolus pa tayo. Doon po manufacture ang ribosomes. Okay? Next tayo. The following are legitimate children except those born out of a valid marriage of the parents. Letter D. Okay. Next tayo. Ayan. Which is the best way to write the underlined portion of the sentence? There is smoke detectors in many homes to warn residents of a fire, but fire extinguishers can actually help people fight fires. That is? There are, dapat yan. There are. Okay? There are. Kasi nga, detectors is plural. There are plus plural noun. There is plus singular noun. Okay? Ayan. Mga ma'am sir, di baling magkamali tayo sa comment natin dyan sa chat box, mas maganda. Kasi alam nyo po, mas maalala natin pag nagkamali tayo. Alam nyo ba? Mas maalala natin pag nagkamali tayo. Mas maganda yung mag-participate tayo, mag-comment ha. Ayan. Next tayo. What is the product of the biggest negative integer and the smallest positive integer? Ilang items po? 413. Kalahati pa lang po tayo. Okay, that is negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 1. Next, organic substances which in very small amounts control growth and development. Ayan. O, anong tawag natin dyan? That is hormones. 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 Control or regulate growth and development. Next tayo. Ayan, expand. 6 times A minus 56D. Okay, 6A minus 336D. Okay, as a system of channels that transport proteins through the cell is? Ayan, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Next tayo. 2 times X plus 8 is equal to 5 times X less than 29. That is? 3. 3. 3. Okay, next tayo. Photosynthesis generally takes place in which part of the plant? Okay, that is leaf and other chloroplast-bearing parts. Leaf and other chloroplast-bearing parts. Yan yung photosynthesis. Next tayo. Melody is 3 times as old as JP. 10 years ago, she was 8 times as old as JP. How old are they now? Ayan. O, si Melody daw 3 times as old as JP. O, check nyo na lang sa choices kung saan ang 3 times kay JP ang age ni Melody. And that is letter D. Kasi 42 is 3 times 14. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun lang yan pag-check mga ma'am sir. Okay? Ayan. 32 is not 3 times 24. 22 is not 3 times 34. 14 is not 3 times of 42, di ba? Ayan, o ganun lang yun. Plants synthesize proteins from amino acids, amino acids, amino acids. Okay, next tayo. This law states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed but only changes from one form to another. That is, okay, law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Next tayo, process of removing excess odor in water. That is, ayan, aeration, aeration, aeration. Next tayo, mitosis is a cellular division taking place in mitosis ha, mitosis, that is somatic cells or body cells lang. Somatic cells or body cells. Okay, next tayo. What kind of mirror is used in cars to give the driver a wider area and smaller image of the traffic behind him or her? That is convex, convex, convex. Next tayo. Who was the world's first woman prime minister? Who was the world's first woman prime minister? That is Siramavo Bandaranaike. Siramavo Bandaranaike. Next tayo. Neither students blank been to Europe. That is has, has, has. Next tayo, a child has read 2/3 of the book. The read part of the book has 100 pages more than the unread. Ayan. How many pages is the book? That is 300, 300, 300. Next tayo, which two Asian countries are divided by the 38 parallel? That is, okay, North and South Korea. North and South Korea. Next, 38 parallel, North and South Korea. Pero ngayon, DMZ na yun ha, demilitarized zone. Next, blank more interesting, the red jacket or the blue sweater. That is, which is, kasi may choices tayo. Which is. Ayan. Is tayo, of course, kasi nga, yung ano natin, joined by the conjunction or. Ayan. Next tayo. Which has the greater density? A lake full of water or a cup full of water? Ayan. Which has a greater density? Which has greater density? That is, okay, they have the same density actually, okay? A cup full or a lake full of water, same density po yan, okay? Ayan, next sa mga gusto pa lang sumali, ito po ha. Ayan, 500 na lang po ang Prof. and Gen Ed and 200 ang major subjects. Message niyo po ako, okay? Message niyo po ako. Mag-start na po bukas ang live session ng final coaching natin sa Prof. and Gen Ed, okay? Ayan, sige. Next tayo. Which ancient rulers reigned from 336 to 323 BCE mark a decisive moment in the history of Asia and Europe? Yes po, i-ano po to, sa YouTube po to ipopost. Okay, Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great. Next tayo. Blank the manager or assistant manager. Bumalik na to. That is has. Has po tayo. Bumalik na to. Next tayo. Which is the value of, what is the value of y? In dapat yan. Okay? Ayan. Sige. 2x plus 2xy plus 3y is equal to 25 and x equal to 2. That is 3. 3. 3. Next tayo. A stainless steel spoon feels colder than a plastic spoon because stainless steel conducts heat away from the hand faster than the plastic does. Okay? Ayan. Kaya malamig yung stainless steel kasi nga pag hinawakan natin, ina-absorb niya kaagad yung heat dun sa kamay natin. Kaya it feels cold. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. Which communist leader's economic strategy was called the Great Leap Forward? The Great Leap Forward. That is Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong. Next, Juan, as well as my sister, blank in college now. That is, Juan ang subject natin ulit. Ayan, so is tayo. Is. Is. Next, which famous monument did Shah Jahan build to immortalize his wife? Ayan, that is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Next tayo, mathematics blank very difficult for many students to master. That is, okay, is. Next tayo. Ayan. Ayan, 2 buses leave the blah, blah, blah. Ayan, this is 100 kilometer. Tandaan nyo na, 2 buses. Ayan, next tayo. The use of the product containing blank is discouraged because they contribute to the depletion of, ayan, chlorofluorocarbon and depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer. Okay, letter D tayo dyan. Next, Silk Road was a trade route between, okay, Europe and China. Europe and China. Next tayo. Each of the exercises blank about 20 minutes to complete. That is, each again, each is singular, so takes. Takes. Next, which of the following is the factorization form of binomial x squared minus 4 squared? Ayan, di ba? Sabi ko sa pag ganito, copy lang natin isa-isa, x4, x4, tapos yung isa minus, yung isa plus. That is letter D. Letter D. Letter D. Next tayo. It is described as the lifeline of the body. It is the body's pickup and delivery system. System. That is circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. Next tayo. Who controlled the largest land empire in history? Ayan. Oh, ito, very controversial question ito ha. Mongols po yan. Ngayon, pag may British dyan mga ma'am sir, British ang sagot natin. Pag walang British, Mongols tayo. Nakuha? Ayan. Next tayo. The high school senior, along with his parents, blank upset over the sudden policy change. That is letter B. Letter B. High school senior lang ang subject natin. High school senior. Next tayo. What is the value of 12 and 1/6 minus 3 and 3/8 minus 5 and 2/3 plus 20 and 3/4? That is 23 and 7/8. 23 and 7/8. 23 and 7/8. Next tayo. Ayan. How do hormones work? How do hormones work? That is, okay, by controlling cell chemistry. Lahat po yan, function ng hormones, kaso very specific yung ACD. General ang letter B, kaya dun tayo sa letter B. Okay? Ayan, next tayo. Which country controlled Korea during World War II? That is Japan. 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 Next, the songs they sing blank in my mind all day. That is have stayed. Have stayed. Have stayed. Next tayo. Which of the following has the greatest value? That is letter C. 3 plus 3 squared, squared. Okay. Next tayo. What was the name of the communist regime in Cambodia? That is Khmer Rouge. Khmer Rouge under Pol Pot. Under Pol Pot. Next tayo. What is the average of A, B, and C? Okay, that is A plus B plus C divided by 3. That is letter B. Next tayo, which is not considered as adaptive mechanism of living things. That is reproduction for the preservation of certain species. Hindi po yan siya adaptive mechanism, kundi, ayan. Yes, ayan. Hindi po siya adaptive mechanism siya. Okay, ayan. Next. It refers to the community of persons more or less numerous, blah, 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 blah. That is state. State. Okay, community of persons, state. Next, the famous painting of Juan Luna made, or the famous painting Juan Luna made, that is Spoliarium. Spoliarium. Next, oy, ayan, list. Which of the following has the least numerical value? It's 5/7. 5/7. That is 0.71 lang something, okay? The rest is more than 0.75 or 0.75 or more. Next, biologists are at present involved in gene manipulation by altering the genes in nuclei, which aims seem to be the most important of such manipulation. That is, ayan, that is to create new types of agricultural plants and animals. Yan yung pinaka-aim talaga. Others are specific aims, pero ang general talaga ay ang main talaga, main purpose is to create new types of agricultural plants and animals like yung inaano na natin ngayon, puro mga GMOs or genetically modified organisms. Kaya meron na tayong 45 days na chicken, 3 months na pig, ayan, pigs, ano pa ba, malalaking mga gulay and mga ricado, ayan. So they are GMOs or genetically modified organisms. Next, what are the 4 elements of state? That is, Ayan. People, territory, sovereignty, and government. Okay, ayan. So, apat po yan. 4 elements of state. Next, 2 is what percent of 5? So, 2 over 5 or, ayan, 40%. 40%. Next, the figure of speech which uses exaggerated statement for aesthetic reason. That is, okay, hyperbole. Next tayo. Which chemical substance produced by the body regulates and coordinates the function and activities of bodily organ? That is, again, hormone. Hormone regulates and coordinates. Ayan, regulates. Basta regulate, hormone yan or control. Dito tayo. What are the forms of government in which the political power is exercised by a few privileged class? That is, okay, oligarchy and aristocracy. Oligarchy and aristocracy. Okay, next tayo. A poem lamenting the dead. A poem lamenting the dead. Elegy. 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 Next tayo. Which of the following equation has the least value? Pinakamaliit na value. That is, ayan. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 6, that is 18. Yan po ang ano niya, okay? Ayan. Letter D is 6 times 3, 18 plus 4, 22. Si letter A naman, 6 times 3 times A, ano, that is 72. Si letter B naman, 6 times 4 is 24 plus 3, that's 27. So, pinakamababa si letter C. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. Sa mga gusto po lang sumali ha, habol na tayo. Bukas na po mag-start ang final coaching natin. Prof. Ed and Janet, 500 na lang po. And major subjects, 200 na lang po. Okay? Ayan. Kaya message nyo po ako mga ma'am sir sa mga gustong sumali. Bukas na po mag-start ang final coaching natin. Live sessions with top 1 coaches po. Okay? Ayan, living things are classified either as aerobic and anaerobic as they grow or metabolize in the presence or absence of oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Next, the pre-colonial Philippines has no established government. Its villages and settlements were called barangays. Ayan, alin dyan ang tama? Both statements are true and correct. Both statements are true and correct. Next, Tanya, blank coffee for us. Tanya is singular. So, is making. Making is specific. Making coffee. Ganon. Not doing coffee. Kasi do, the verb do is very general. Make is very specific. Okay. Next tayo. 3.54 is multiplied by 10 to the fifth power. What would be the value? Ayan. So, that is 354,000. 354,000. Next tayo. Ayan. Only living things can respond to stimuli, to physical and chemical changes in their environment. Such characteristics is irritability. Irritability or sensitivity. Okay? Ayan, sensitivity or irritability. Next tayo. Blank is the capital of the Philippines, Manila or Cebu. That is, ayan, which. Next, kasi may choices tayo, Manila or Cebu, di ba? Ayan. Next, there are two numbers whose sum is 48. One of the number is greater by 6. What are the numbers? Ayan, oh. 48 minus 6, that is 42. Divided by 2, that is 21. So, 21 plus 6, that is 27. So, 21 and 27, letter B tayo. Okay? Ayan, letter B. Letter B. What is the first city to be established in 1565 in the Philippines? Ayan. Sir, ang bilis. Yes po. Run through po tayo, mga ma'am sir. Ito po is, ano po, tawag nito? Nag-over na natin yung question. So, nira-run through na lang po natin para ma-remember ng lahat. Okay? Ayan. Run through po ito. This is run through po. This is how we do para ma-remember po yung mga nag-over ng mga questions natin. Okay? Ayan. O, ito po yung ginamit ni Teacher Sepi ng mga questions. Mag-live dito sa page po. Kaya, i-go over natin ngayon, nira-run through po. Okay? Ayan. So, this is Cebu. 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 Next tayo, the preservation of species is made possible through preservation of species, that is reproduction, reproduction, reproduction. Next, it is defined as written instrument by which the fundamental powers of the government are established. limited and defined, and by which these powers are distributed among the several departments or branches for their and useful exercise for the benefit of the people. That is, ayan, printed document, written instrument, constitution, constitution, constitution. Next, I know Mary, I blank her for a long time. For a long time? For a long time, that suggests present perfect. So we have, I have known her for a long time. For a long time. Okay, sige. Next tayo. 17 and 5/8 plus 21 and 3/4. That is 39 and 3/8. 39 and 3/8. 39 and 3/8. Next tayo. Ayan. Next po tayo. Next tayo. Next tayo. That is diffusion. Movement of solute ha. Solute is diffusion. Water is osmosis. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. Who has the authority to interpret the Constitution? Courts. 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 Next tayo. To an outsider, the economics of the country belong to be in this array. That is seems. 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 Next. My uncle's weight is 2 times that of my nephew. My aunt's weight is half of my nephew. What is the total weight of the three? Which of the following formulae or formulas will apply for the correct answer? That is letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Next. Which body organ is responsible for the removal of the waste from the blood and body fluids? That is removal of waste and body fluids. Ayan. Kidney. 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 Ayan. Next tayo, the problem of scarcity. Anong sagot natin dito? Kaya pa ba mga ma'am sir? Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba? Ayan, kaya pa ba? That is, exists because of limited resources. Okay, next tayo. The large number of votes still the number ulit tayo. So, votes. Okay, votes. Votes. Next tayo, which of the following fraction isn't greater than 1/3? It's okay na mali-mali mga ma'am sir. Mas maganda yun kasi ma-remember niyo po yung sagot. Okay, that is 15 over 46. 15 over 46. Next, the clotting of the blood is essentially the function of, ayan, plasma. Actually, plasma and platelets po yan. Plasma and platelets ang sagot dyan. Next, ayan, sa mga gustong humabol ha, message po ako. Start na po ng live session natin bukas. Umpisa na ng matinding bakbakan para sa September 21. Okay? Ayan, an individual's demand curve will shift if preferences, price of the other goods, or income change. Next, the milk blank gone bad, 6 gallons of it blank still in the refrigerator. That is, okay, has an R. The milk has gone bad. 6 gallons of it are, ayan, 6 gallons, quantity na tayo. Milk is non-count noun, singular tayo dyan, okay? Ayan, next, 7 is 5% of what number? Okay, 140. 140. 140. Yes po, Teacher Kenneth. Tama po. Ayan, kaya pa sir. Para sa tatlong letra, LPT ngayong December 2025 by God's grace. Next tayo, plant synthesized carbohydrates from? Okay, monosaccharides, monosaccharides, monosaccharides. Next tayo, what is the expanded form of x minus 2 times x plus 5? Okay, that is x squared plus 3x minus 10. X squared minus, plus 3x minus 10. Next, over $1 million in cash blank from a bank in the Philippines. That is, has been stolen. Has been stolen. 1 million amount of money. Singular tayo lagi dyan ha. Ayan. Next tayo. Which of the following is a linear equation? Which of the following is a linear equation? That is, okay, ayan. That is y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Next tayo, one of the following is not a function of bones. Not a function of bones daw, mga ma'am sir. Which of the following is not a function of bones? Okay, that is, yes, letter C po, secretion of hormones. for calcium regulation in blood and bones. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. Okay, blank autumn, we usually collect dried fallen leaves, blank Sundays. Ayan, o ano yan? That is, okay, in autumn, on Sundays, days and dates on seasons, months and years, in tayo doon. Kaya letter D ang sagot dyan. Okay? Ayan, sige po. Next, Sonia suggested blank to the movies. That is, suggested is a verb that must always be followed with the ing form. So we say, going. Okay, Sonia suggested going to the movies. Next tayo. When I met Lisa yesterday, it was the first time I blank her since Christmas. Since Christmas. So that means from the time, from Christmas up until now. That is, ayan, present, a simple present po. Simple present, letter C. Have seen. Next, the Nibelungen Lied, or the Nibelungen Lied is a medieval German epic. Medieval German epic. Next, because the moon rotates on its axis at the same time as it blank around the earth, we see the same side. That is, it revolves around the earth. Okay? It revolves around the earth. Next tayo. The average of 5 different counting numbers is 20. What is the highest possible value that one of the numbers can have? That is 90. 90. Okay, yung isang number, kasi 5 times 20 is 100, di ba? Ayan, yung isang number is 90. Yung isa 1, yung isa 2, yung isa 3, yung isa 4. Okay, ayan. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. Plus 90, that is 100. Okay? Ayan, highest number possible value daw. So 90 yung isa. Yung pinakamababa yung 4. Okay? Ayan. Next, pinakamababa na 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung panglima, 90. Para makuha natin ng total na 100. Next tayo. Albino corn seedlings may grow several inches tall. Albino ha. Ayan, yung kung nagfa-farm kayo, makakita kayo ng mga yung iba pula, yung iba puti. Ayan, puti na plants. Pag plantito ka or plantita ka, alam mo tong yung aurea at saka yung albo. Ayan, albino corn seedlings may grow several inches tall. However, they will eventually die primarily because okay, ayan, they cannot produce their own food. They cannot produce their own food. Next tayo, what value of x will satisfy the equation? 0.4 times 5x minus 1470 is equal to x. So what's the value of x? That is 588. 588. 588. Ayan. Okay, next tayo. Why do we hear thunder? Some seconds after seeing lightning. Oh, anong reason dyan mga ma'am sir? Nakakita muna tayo ng lightning bago natin marinig yung thunder o yung Ayan, that is okay, that is light travels faster than sound. Okay, light travels faster than sound. Next, the area of the rectangle is x squared plus 2x minus 8. If the length is x plus 4, what is the width? That is, i-divide lang natin yan mga ma'am sir. X minus 2, x minus 2. Memorize nyo lang po lahat ng math questions ha. I-memorize nyo lang po, i-memorize nyo lang po. Ayan, dito tayo. Sa mga gustong sumali ha, 500 na lang po ang Prof. Ed and Janet. Umpisa na po ang final coaching bukas. 200 ang major subjects. 200 na lang po, okay? Ayan, weights of the following statements represent a physical change. That is, a frozen mango juice melted when left standing at room temperature for 30 minutes. Okay, next tayo. How much greater is the sum of the first 50 counting numbers greater than the sum of the first 100 counting numbers? That is 3775. 3775. Pag nakita nyo itong question, 3775 kagad ang sagot dyan. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. If a voltage of 100 volts produces a current of 5 amperes in the electrical device, what is the resistance? That is 100 or the voltage divided by I. Okay? V over I lang po yan pag kinukuha yung resistance. So we have 100 divided by 5, 20 ohms. 20 ohms. 20 ohms. 20 ohms. Next, which of the following has the largest value? Pinakamalaki daw. Saan dyan ang pinakamalaki mga ma'am sir? Among the, among the four. Pag sa negative numbers, mga ma'am sir, kung sino yung malapit sa zero, sa yung pinakamalaki. So in this case, 39 po. Ayan. Okay, nakuha nyo? Basta yung sa mga negative numbers, kung negative sila lahat, yung pinakamalapit sa zero, yun yung mas malaki. Okay, ang value. Pag negative numbers ha. Okay, next tayo. Acid rain occurs when ayan. Sulfur released in burning fossil fuels combines with water in the atmosphere. Yan yung may sulfur na. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. The gardener propagates a plant by taking cuttings. He plants his cutting in a well-watered soil in a plant pot. So what is the most likely reason why he may then cover the plant and pot with a lightly perforated polythene bag? Bakit kailangan niyang tabunan ng plastic? Okay? Kasi that is to reduce the water demand for the cutting. Kasi nga wala pa siyang na-develop na fruit. Kakakat niya lang, 'di ba? Ayan, so wala na root pala. Ayan. Wala pa siyang root para mag-absorb ng tubig para lessen yung pag water demand ng cutting, kailangan niyang i-cover ng plastic 'yon. Okay? Ayan, sige. Next tayo. I know, tapos na natin 'to. That is here. In his student memoirs, Rizal recollected that I was born in the 19th June, 1861, blank, a few days before full moon. Ayan, ganito yung mga pag ng date dati, no? Ayan. Like yung kapitbahay namin, yung lula niya, sabi, tinatanong namin, kailan po kayo pinanganak la? Ang sinasagot niya, ano yun eh, tagbunga ng santol. Okay, dito tayo. Between 11 and midnight. Between 11 and midnight. Okay, next tayo. What will make an object move in a circular path? That is central force. Central force. Central force. Next tayo. Ayan, eto pala. Saturday. Bukas na yan mga ma'am sir. 8 a.m. 500 lang po ang Prof. Ed and Jened. And ang major subjects natin, 200 na lang po. Kaya message nyo po ako. Okay? Marami tayong ganito sa final coaching. Lahat ng questions, ganito natin lahat-lahat din. Next, what is the x-intercept of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12? That is, x-intercept ha, 60. 60. Kagabi yung lesson natin to kagabi 17 plus 5, 8 plus 21 and 3/4, that is 39 and 3/8. 39 and 3/8. 39 and 3/8. Sige. At what age did Rizal wrote his first poem in the native tongue language entitled Sa Aking Mga Kababata or To My Fellow Children? That is, ilang taon siya nun? 8. 8. 8. Next tayo, which process involves in the movement of dissolved molecules like solute? Again, solute, pag solute, diffusion agad yan. Water, osmosis. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Next tayo, Mrs. Harper ordered 3 different colors of markers. She ordered 25 each color of marker, and then she also ordered some pencils. She ordered 3 times as many pencils as markers. How many pencils did Mrs. Harper order? So, 25 each color. Tatlong color yung marker. So, 25 times 3, that is 75. Ngayon, 3 times daw ang marker, ang pencil niya. So, 75 times 3, that is 225. 225. 225. Next tayo. Ayan. By the order of Governor General Izquierdo, Gumborza was executed on February 17, 1872. February 17, 1872. Next tayo. It is the union of two light nucleus to form heavier nucleus resulting in a mass defect and release of energy. That is union ha, union, that is nuclear fusion. Split naman pag nuclear fission. Okay? Ayan. Sige, sige, sige. Who has the authority to interpret the Constitution? Who has the authority to interpret the Constitution? That is courts. 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 Ayan. Final arbiter ang Supreme Court. Okay? Ayan. Wala na pong Supreme Court ha. Ayan. Dito tayo. There are 638 students at the museum. All the students will tour the museum in groups of up to 6 students. Ayan. Tapos na pala ito kanina. Binalik. That is 107. 107. 107. Next, Adi got to the park at 7:45. While she was there, she walked her dog for 35 minutes and played for 15 minutes. At what time did Adi leave the park? That is, 7:45 plus 35 minutes plus 15 minutes. So that is, 8:35 a.m. 8:35. 8:35. Ayan, sa mga gustong sumali ha, message nyo lang po ako mga ma'am sir. Bukas na po tayo, 8 AM bukas, okay? Ayan. Results first Romans was a pretty